In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can raise a specific word in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So open your document. Okay, I have prepared this example for you. Okay, so let's say for example, I am going to raise this word. Like this one, beauty. So in order to raise it, we have to select the word first. So simply drag your cursor to select the word. Okay. Once the word has been selected, we just need to simply click on the Home tab. And here we can find font and this one, this arrow, click on that. Now here this window will appear, click on the advanced. And here you can find position, click on this drop down and choose raised. So you can change the point from here, okay? And then click on OK. And that's it. That's how you can raise a specific word in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.